we will start with Introduction to Operating System. An operating system acts as an intermediary between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. The purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can execute programs in a convenient and efficient manner. An operating system is software that manages the computer hardware. The hardware must provide appropriate mechanism to ensure the correct operation of the computer system and to prevent user programs from interfering with the proper operation of the system. Internally, operating systems vary greatly in their makeup since they are organized along many different lines. The design of a new operating system is a major task. It is important that the goal of the system be well defined before the design begins. These goals form the basis for choices among various algorithms and strategies. An operating system acts as an intermediary between the user of a computer and computer hardware. The purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can execute program in a convenient and efficient manner. An operating system is a program that manages the computer hardware. It also provides the basis of application program and acts as an intermediary between the computer user and hardware. An amazing aspect of operating system is how varied they are in accomplishing these tasks. Mainframe operating systems are designed primarily to optimize utilization of hardware. An operating system is a software that manages the computer hardware. The hardware must provide appropriate mechanisms to ensure the correct operation of the computer system and to provide user programs from interfering with the proper operation of the system. Now we start with the formal definition of operating system. An operating system is a program that controls the execution of application program and acts as an interface between the user of a computer and computer hardware. A more common definition is that the operating system is the one program running at all times on computer, usually called the kernel, with all else being application programs. An operating system is concerned with the allocation of resources and services such as memory, processors, devices, and information. The operating system correspondingly includes program to manage these resources such as traffic controller, a scheduler, memory management module, I/O programs, and a file system. We can also view a computer system as consisting of hardware, software, and data. The operating system provides the means for proper use of these resources in the operation of computer system. An operating system is similar to a government. Like a government, it performs no useful function by itself. It simply provides an environment within which other programs can do useful work. Evolution of operating system. The evolution of operating system is directly dependent on the development of computer system and how users use them. Operating systems were first developed in late 1950s to manage tape storage. The General Motor Research Lab implemented the first operating system in the early 1950s for the IBM 701. In the mid 1960s, operating systems started to use disks. In the late 1960s, the first version of Unix operating system was developed. The first operating system built by Microsoft was DOS. It was built in the year 1981 by purchasing the 86 DOS software from a Seattle company. The present day popular operating system Windows first come to existence in the year 1985 when a GUI was created and paired with MS-DOS. Here is a quick tour of computing system through the past 50 years in the timeline. First one is early evolution. In the year 1945, ENIAC, Moore School of Engineering, University of Pennsylvania. Then in the year 1949, EDSAC and EDVAC was developed. In the year 1949, another version called BINAC was a successor to ENIAC. Then in the year 1951, UNIVAC by Remington is developed. In the year 1952, the IBM 701 developed first operating system. In 1956, the first interrupt was generated, and in the year 1954 to 57, Fortran was developed. Functions of operating system. Operating system performs several functions. However, its three main functions are convenience. An operating system makes a computer more convenient to use. Efficiency. An operating system allows the computer system resources to be used in an efficient manner. Ability to evolve. An operating system should be constructed in such a way as to permit the effective development, testing, and introduction of new system functions at the same time without interfering with service. Some of the features of actually operating system performs different types of function like memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security and control over system performance, job accounting, error detecting aids, and coordination between other software and users. Operating system as user interface. Here there are four main components: user, system and application program, operating system, and hardware. The user's view of the computer varies according to the interface being used. Most computer users sit in front of a PC consisting of a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system unit. Such a system is designed for one user to monopolize its resources. The goal is to mix the work that the user is performing. In this case, the operating system is designed mostly for ease of use with some attention paid to performance. Every general purpose computer consists of the hardware, operating systems, system program and application program. The hardware consists of memory, CPU, arithmetic logarithmic unit and I/O devices, peripheral devices and storage devices. System program consists of compiler, loader, editor, operating system, etc. The application program consists of business program and database program. A user sits at a terminal connected to a mainframe on mini computer. Other users are accessing the same computer through other terminals. These users share resources and may exchange information. The operating system in such cases is designed to maximize resource utilization to assure that all available CPU time, memory, input output are used efficiently and that no individual users take more than her fair share. This is the diagrammatic representation of operating system. Here there are different users. Then there is in the front end there is system and application programs like compiler, text editor, assembler, database system. And then there is computer hardware, and operating system acts as mediator, acts as medium between system and application program and computer hardware. This is the diagram of conceptual view of a computer system. Functions of operating system. Operating systems performs several functions. However, some main functions of operating systems are convenience. An operating system makes a computer more convenient to use. An operating system allows the computer resources to be used in efficient manner. An ability to evolve. An operating system should be constructed in such a way to permit the effective development, testing, and introduction of new system function at the same time without interfering with services. Operating system is designed to serve two basic purposes. It controls the allocation and use of computing systems resources among the various user and tasks. It provides an interface between the computer hardware and the programmer that simplifies and makes feasible for coding, creation, debugging of application programs. Operating system must support the following tasks. These tasks are processor management. Processor management involves putting tasks into order and pairing them into manageable size before they go to the CPU. Memory management, which coordinates data to and from RAM, random access memory, and determines the necessity for virtual memory. Device management, which provide interface between connected devices. Storage management, which directs permanent data storage. Application, which allows standard communication between software and your computer. User interface, which allows to communicate with computer. So after we can say that some of the important features or important tasks of operating systems are: it provides protected and supervisor mode, allows disk access and file system device drivers, networking security. It helps in program execution. It does memory management, virtual memory, multitasking. It helps in handling I/O operation and manipulation of file system. Also, error detection and handling is done by operating system. Resource allocation, information and resource protection is also a task of operating system. Thank you for watching.